All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Finally, it is here. It has arrived. The latest case from Benks for the Z Flip 7. I have been waiting for this. This case combination. This is just, let me open it up here because this is exactly the combination of the texture is the way it's gonna look. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. This just screams elegance to me. This combination right here, prestige. Let's take it out here. Gonna be a typical two-piece. Look at this, they have a picture of the old one inside there. Are they paying homage to it, or they just, what are they doing? But this is the packaging that it comes in. Very nice, beautiful, sleek. Wow, this is nice, man. And clearly you obviously have the MagSafe technology, magnetic power there. You can test it out real quick for you right here. Let me get my little tool here. Super strong magnets. So this has been kind of open for quite some time. So I'm curious to see how this is going to lay down, how it's going to work. But let's go ahead and peel this portion off here. And let's clean. Hopefully it doesn't stay up too much on the back. This is a beautiful color case. Oh, it goes down. Okay, cool. I was wondering about that. I'm like, whoa, this might not be good if it's going to stay up like that. Let me get this tag off here. All right. And here is this portion. All right, let's clean it off again. I was wondering about that front portion. I was like, man, I hope that doesn't like stay stuck up like that, but it instantly dropped down. This video is being recorded with the Z Fold 7, by the way. Oh, this is so beautiful. Folks, this is a beautiful combination. Wow, I love this. It feels really good too to the touch. You've got some camera protection, like on this side, it goes up and protects the camera on this side right here. Very nice, man. Hinge protection. You open it up. You can see. This is how it looks from the rear. Oh, that is so beautiful. Perfection. This is beautiful right here, man. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Buttons are exposed here, volume, rocker, and power button and microphone. Then you've got the 4 microphones open down here, speaker out, and Type-C on this side. Obviously it's clean, and then you have that beautiful hinge protection. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Now, Benks, obviously, it's Benks. So they sent over a tempered glass screen protector for the Flip 7. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Box is a little banged up, but I still was able to get it open here. This is the way it's going to come to you. Let's see what's in here. Oh, here's the protector. Okay, so let's just get this out of the way. All right, so it comes all in this little envelope right here. Let's see what they got. Oh, yeah, that is all. And then you have the protector. Now I'm going to use, and it's perfect. Good job, Benks. Good job. You have the cutout. Yes. Yes, you have the cutout. Is this a tray also? Yeah, this is a tray, looks like, to install. Is this a tray to install? Oh, it might be. Yeah, it is. All right, so let's see here. Yeah, it's a tray to install. Perfect. Perfection. All right, so you peel off this portion and then you just sit it down on this. I'll take that front portion off. Very nice. A nice simple tray too. It's nothing like real crazy. No big adapter or anything. Like obviously you have Benks. So let's go ahead and peel off this front portion for a second. And inside of here, you get the usual, probably a wet wipe. Yeah, a microfiber cloth, wet wipe, and some dust removal stickers here. All right, so let's clean it off. These wet wipes smell, it's crazy, but these wet wipes, they smell really good. They just smell like lemons. Really like it. All right, so let's clean this off. Very nice, very nice. Now I have camera lens protectors on here, so I'm curious to see how this is going to play with it. I'm sure it should be fine because I already used others with them. I'm going to peel that top off, and then I'm going to drop that tray on and press down, and we should be good to go. All right, let's see here. Anti-dust. I like to do it like this, so I'll be able to get it on and off like really simple. Quick little dabs. Gotta get around that area right there. Little dust particles kind of get stuck around there. If you want to do a really big one, this is a dust removal tool too. So you can pop it down on there and really get the dust off. You can do it like that. All right, let's get this tray right here. I'm gonna peel off this portion. I'll peel this off. Put it aside. We're gonna pop this on. Perfection. Oh, perfection. Press it down on there. It's separated too, looks like, on that portion. So doing it this way, obviously, it ensures that it's going to work with their case as well. So the screen protector is on there, and we'll use this little portion here. If you see little bubbles and stuff like that, don't worry, folks. They literally go away within 24 hours. They do. Honestly, they do. So now I'll pop this back on. There we go. You can see what it kind of looks like on this top area right here. This is beautiful. And you are protected, man. Oh, yes. This, folks, is a sleek combination from Benks. I really could appreciate what they're doing here. This is a very nice case. And again, it is MagSafe. If you're a person who uses MagSafe, no kickstand or anything like that, but you can buy kickstands if you want to for these types of cases. Strong MagSafe there. But there it is, man. Oh, man, I am just too excited about this. Going to use this one for a little bit, probably a lot. I end up always start the product with Benks or Pataka. And honestly, a lot of times I end with Benks over all the cases that I'm using when it's these ultra thin cases. I can't tell you how beautiful this texture is on this case. I can't stress it enough. It's absolutely incredible. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.